If you want to see how I got these pink Barbie-inspired nails, then keep watching. I'm starting off with one coat of black. I'm adding a top coat and curing that for about 5 seconds so that it can be tacky, so I can put the chrome powder on top and it'll go on very smoothly. After that, I dust it off and put on a top coat. I'm using a rhinestone glue to adhere the charm. I got all of my nail supplies from Amazon, so it'll be in the link in the description. And to add the water droplets, I'm using a clear builder gel. Cure in between every step, add your top coat, and then you're done with this nail. For this one, I'm using 2 different colors of a neutral base just to create that perfect skin tone. After, I'm adding a clear top coat, and you want to cure it so that you can buff out the surface so it can be very matte, so that the chrome powder does not stick to it. Once again, I'm using black polish as the base for the design that the chrome is going on top of. I'm just doing abstract and subtractive lines and just filling it in, and the black is where the chrome is going to go. I cured it, and then I'm going in with this chrome powder. Make sure it covers the entire nail. You want to dust it off and then cure with top coat. This next one is going to be a French tip nail design, so I'm going in with the same base I did for the other nail, and then I'm just doing some outlines of where I want the French tip to go. I'm just filling it in. I'm just eyeballing it and drawing in these smile lines and just filling every space in. I added 100% acetone and the gel polish of my choice to the machine, mixed it up, and I put some paper behind the nail so it doesn't get everywhere, and I spray it a safe distance from the nail. I'm going in with a clear builder gel on a thin liner brush and adding these abstract squiggly lines to the nail. I realized that I wanted it a little thicker, so before I cured it, I went in with the second layer of the gel just right over where I already put the design. When you top coat this, you want to do an even swipe across the nail, and then I'm going in and wiping off the excess in the bottle and just going in between the designs so it doesn't take away from that 3D effect. Like, you want to wipe off the excess. Once again, I'm using that same neutral base gel that I used for the others because I'm going in with another French tip nail design. For this one, I'm using a hot pink glitter, and if you know anything about gel polishes, you know that glitters aren't really that opaque, so I have to go with 2 layers after I cured the first one. The second layer is more of a cleanup to sharpen the smile lines. Next, I'm using a hot pink gel polish to go in and outline the French tip to create a double French tip nail design. And then I'm using a light pink gel polish to outline the star, and I'm just filling it in with a thin liner brush. Then I'm using a rhinestone glue to apply the rhinestone in the middle of the star. The last step is to top coat the nail. This base is different than the other base I used for the other nails. This one is more pink because I'm doing a pink airbrush nail, so I'm using the same liquid that was in the airbrush machine and applying it the exact same way, but just focusing it on the center and blending it a little bit outwards. I'm using a white polish to paint the border of the nail. You want to go side to side, and then I'm starting from the center and creating smile lines going out. The last step is to top coat and cure the nail, and then you're done. That is how I got these pink Barbie-inspired nails. If you enjoyed the video or learned something, make sure to subscribe to see more.